What's up guys, welcome back to the Mudda vlog. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing some new racing seats. I got Corbo seats from my friend Typical Steven. Here's the seats we got. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the Focus, and then we're going to go ahead and go over to drive to Jared's house, which is Ghost Load. He's a fucking clown. But we're going to go ahead and throw these seats in and head over there. We got the seats loaded in the car. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and head to Jared's house. So I just made it to Jared's house. This fool, go slow.
Filthy ass animal right now.
So we're taking out the seats, and then we're gonna put the brackets on the seats first, and then take out one seat and see how it goes. Hopefully, everything's pretty smooth. Whoa, dude, what the heck? What the fuck is that? Yo, I didn't know that. Dude, I thought it was static. When did this happen?
Is that for the fuck?
What the hell? Dude, look how dirty my car is.
Huh?
Look how dirty you are.
No, I'm filthy, dude.
What's happening is we're just gonna unbolt the seats. Right here and over there, and then also in the back. Unbolt those seats. Take the seats out, and then get rid of these piece of shit ST1 seats. Ew. I'm so over these seats, but these right here are solid. So shout out to Steven for selling them and working out a deal with me. So if you guys don't realize that my car's not on VSXXs anymore, just because I got rid of them. I sold them to a good friend, which you'll see on his car when he puts them on. But I mean, RPF ones will do for right now. But I brought the car down to SoCal because my new wheels are being built right now. They'll be picked up in April, so then I picked up these seats. And I also picked up a half cage yesterday or last night, and I'll show you guys once I get back home. So I'm gonna put in just the seats in right now. I'm gonna throw away these ST seats, or if someone wants to buy them for like dirt cheap, put the half cage up when I get up there, and then as well as the new wheels, which the new wheels I'm gonna have to test fit and do a lot of bunch of stuff to basically make more camber. Work it. So we got one seat out, and we're trying to get the harnesses off, but here the seat looks. We got the seat bracket on one of the seats. Kind of was a pain in the ass. We had to adjust that. Ow! Yeah, we're trying to get the harnesses off, the wiring harness, so that I don't get an airbag light. And so the car doesn't throw a code on me. Just gotta get that crap out and then just throw it in there, tuck it in there, and then throw the seat in, and then do the other seat. What'd you do?
Nothing.
See that piece of shit clip?
Dude, fuck your Fiesta.
Excuse me. That is a disgrace. I mean, it's a Ford, so it's okay.
I'm just gonna break it. Oh my god.
There we go. How do you
Oh
feel?
my god, there's another one.
Oh, there's a,
Yes, there is.
you're kidding. Oh yeah, that's.
Oh my god.
That one's not that bad. So you have to literally disconnect the whole entire harness from the bottom. And
Suck
then
me from
put
the
it in.
back.
And so this is like a POS. Oh, I can see that. Look at that.
Ow. God damn.
So we got all the harnesses off, and we're gonna get her on there with a bunch of zip tires. Got the seatbelt on, a little bolting in, and it's fucking sprinkling.
No.
So we finally got the seat in. While we're getting, we put all the bolts in, the bolty bolts, like a somebody, and then getting one more. That's taking forever. How's it?
No, it's done. Okay. Watch out, I'm gonna slow the seat back.
No. Test fit here. Got one Uno El Cito cuz in. Ooh, look at this man do work. But yeah, so just gotta put one more bracket on the other seat, and then do the whole thing. Take off all the harnesses on from the stock seat. And then luckily my friend Charlie sent me clips that take away the airbag light. So he made me these little clips right here, these things, so that my airbag light does not go off. So shout out to Charlie. How's it feel?
Fire.
Ooh, whoa!
It's over your windshield wiper. Your car's got a cold, dude.
Hey, what are you doing? My car sneezes like every other Focus, but don't worry, that thing's gonna be gone soon.
Seatbelt, you're gonna get out, it's gonna be like,
Bruh. Right now, we're just gonna go get some food. We put one seat in. Good old lonely seat over there. And there's the Focus. Ooh. And then there's this Mudda load ghost car. Yo, I'ma take it. Ready? Nah, I'm just playing. What you say? Oh fuck! I forgot. I can't get out of this car. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! I can't get out of this car.
so weenie, dude. 2319. 2319. You got the COVID virus.
What the hell kind of? Oh fuck!
Joe broke the fucking handle, so I just put a toaster up there. We got 2319. Can you grab me the hand sanitizer?
Oh yeah, we forgot the coronavirus is going around here.
I asked the cop the other day if he wanted some. He was like, "No, I'm good." I'm like, "You nasty bitch." So gross.
Oh shit! I don't know. I saw the
dude,
camera.
Look at this fucking
I'm gonna wipe
ticket.
my coronavirus away.
Look at the length of this ticket, bro.
Sorry.
This is a fucking ticket. Look at this shit.
I thought that was a receipt at Costco.
Yeah, it's the fucking. This is the Constitution right there. I forgot I have one of Harlan's stickers right here and in here.
Oh, and on the window.
Where? Oh yeah, on the mirror. Jeffrey Drummer.
Jeffrey Drummer. He's lame.
Shit's sick.
We just got some Mudda food, and this guy likes to blast his music crazy.
We're all crazy.
While we're in this whip, we have fucking people staring at us.
Get the fuck out of my way.
Ah! Shit.
That was it. Yeah,
So right now we're back. We have one more seat to do. Undo those Mudda bolts, put the brackets on, and take the harness in. Wait, I can't hear you, Jerry. Hold on. What did you say?
I'm gonna say it.
What are you gonna say?
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
Now we're gonna call our friend Rip Wokeja part out.
Baby or fucking baby.
Wokeja baby.
Little piss baby.
Wokeja bait. We're gonna call Wokeja bait right now. Wokeda. Yo, what are you doing?
Laying in bed.
What the fuck? He said laying in bed. You said my left mouth.
There's shit on this. There's poo in there.
Mudda Pope.
There's Mudda Pope. What the hell is that? What the fuck is that?
That's for the back.
Suck me from the back. Oh, bad. Alright, so this is from Ghost Love perspective. We got Dean actually doing stuff.
Hey, fuck you.
Yeah. That's not good. RPF wands. Buddy, you need to wash your hands and shit, because we don't need to be spreading COVID-19 or whatever.
We'll catch a case of Corona at the store. At the store.
Alex, out of anyone, Burley will probably get it. It'll probably be Alex, because he's all like, wash your hands.
All right, so we got this seat out finally. Or it was pretty quick actually. Got the seat out. Now we gotta go into the seat. Just like last time, go in and take all this harnessing out right here. And then take the seatbelt off. Where is it? Take the seatbelt off and undo it. And that's good. Yeah, we know. I just leave the seat without it. That's race car.
let's put your back seats in the front.
Bruh.
Fuck this hard.
Yo, ready? See this? You know how you get it out? Oh shit, it's stuck.
Dude, this harness sucks. This clip's really
Ready?
Dude, that would last so hard if you came back and you popped yourself.
We just took out the harness. Here it is on the floor where it belongs. No, but so we took out the harness from the seat. There is this one thing that's a bladder. No, I don't want to deal with that, but that is actually for the passenger or for the passenger seat. It's only on the passenger seat, and that's so whenever there's weight on the bladder, it signals to the car to actually let the passenger airbag be on to show that it has a passenger in the seat. So unfortunately, with that not connected, it will not have the passenger seat airbag be on, but it's okay because I'm getting half cage in there and harnesses, so regardless, the airbags won't work. And I'm changing the steering wheel. But gotta get the other seat out. And hopefully this doesn't be a bitch like last time, but that seat in there for us. Hopefully it goes smoothly. Knock on some wood. Knock on your wood.
What? Oh.
This bracket is not lining up with the holes of the seat, so we can actually mount the holes from the seat to the actual bracket. So we actually have to loosen this up and then adjust it so that way the holes match and they can match or mount to the bracket, which happened to the other seat, which is the exact same we had to do. So since we know how to do it, it should be pretty easy. It should take us only like 5 minutes maybe, max. Look what we have here.
No.
It's woke, Come on, look.
I'm staying out of the vlog.
You're not staying out of the vlogs. The vlogs will not stay out.
I'm going home.
Stop being gay. Look at you. We got the seatbelt on. Now we're gonna install the harnessing.
Am I retarded?
Yeah, we already. Yes, you are.
That's not bad. They all look the fucking same to me.
It's just a puzzle right now.
This sucks, dude. It's so annoying that you have to put a fucking harness back in here. It's so annoying that you have to put a harness back in.
What?
Get the fuck out of here, I'm trying to help. It's two of us, dude. We both
You're
bled.
bleeding.
We both bled for a fucking
Look at-
fiesta.
Catch that on cam. Look at this. Blood, sweat, and beers.
Get the fuck off of one bolt. Hey, what is going on? Ah! Alright.
God damn it, I wish I could. You get that last bolt in or what?
Yeah.
Spotted.
And I got the seats in. What the? Ah!
Damn, this going hard.
Dude, don't let it go.
I'll light these on fire.
You won't.
Dude, do you want to light them on fire?
No.
Okay.
You can have them.
I don't want them.
You said you wanted them. No.
I don't want ST Mudda Dean Toot seats in my room.
Take the seats. You want the seats, Jared? You won't put it in. You won't put them in the FRS.
Oh.
Yeah, they are.
They're pretty trash.
Super trash. Ooh.
Dude, your pipes were so
said it-
goddamn
I said-
close to my front
Yeah, I
bumper.
know. I sat in Kevin's. Kevin's seats are pretty good. Where it's older.
We're the same seat.
I know. They're trash.
Found free money in here. Sick, dude.
Hey, what the fuck
Who's,
is my wallet?
who's Dean
Hey,
Camarina?
stop.
Social security number 8446.
These look awful.
I know, they're so bad.
Coming in there.
Hey,
I don't know what to do with this.
dude, give me my wallet.
Jump with it, move. Big bank going to cold. Jumping these sticks in my shoes. I gotta pay, yeah, fuck 'em in toes. I spend a dub and I double the put a chain up on my buff when that cutting up. Bought a range up for the pants, I'm gon' run it a sense. So shot the 30, jump with it, move. Big bank going to cold. Jumping these sticks in my shoes.
Dean, I didn't know this was a a 7-seater.
I'm gonna simulate your car being static.
Stop. You have to face it towards you if you're gonna do that stupid shit. Breathe on it like that. Dude, you're fucking it up.
You're fucking up the camera. Oh.
What'd you do? Don't. Where are we going?
Your mom's house.
I'm gonna fucking punch you in the balls right now.
Piss bait. Oh, not this way. Oh God. Prime dummy central. Let's just speed bump over everything.
Yeah,
You
there's
fucking bitch.
Dude, there's a thing called bags.
There's a thing called bags, but look at my splitter.
Face the camera towards you so you can actually act and look like a dummy like you are.
Is this on?
Alright, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. So hopefully you guys learned something. I don't know. We really didn't know what the fuck we were doing. I mean, kind of. Jared did. Jared knew what he was doing. You wanna end this?
I don't know how to end this.
Peace out, and we'll see you in the
I
next
know how to end it.
Mudda vlog.
No. Till next time, fuckers.
You're supposed to slap the camera.
Oh. Till next time, fuckers.
No, not like that.
I know, I just kidding. Okay, alright, I'll get it. Till next time, fuckers.
Make a friendship,